loves the lipstick. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. My boy loves the lipstick. Yes, he does. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another lip swatch video for you guys. Hallelujah. I had a request to do these, so I thought, why not? And look at me with my little middle part and my curly hair. I finally put heat on my hair. It's been like forever since I put heat on my hair, so I like curl it in like 4 sections on each side, so it's like a pretty like loose magoose. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing the NYX Tease lip oils. I have the entire collection, so take a seat and we're going to go through all of them. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below and like up this video so I know that you guys enjoy these lip swatch videos. I'm gonna tell you what it is from the nyxcosmetics.ca website. So these retail for $10, which is a pretty standard price for a NYX lipstick, especially if you're gonna compare it to the lip lingerie, which is also $10. Tease lip lingerie, same exact packaging, you get the same amount of product. Lip lingerie dries down to more of a matte finish, while this stays nice and like plush and soft lipstick on my teeth and just like glorious on the lips. I quickly wanted to mention about the doe foot applicators. The Tease has pretty much the exact same doe foot applicator as the lip lingerie, but this guy has a little bit of a tilt to it, which allows just for like a more seamless application. I'm gonna read from the website what exactly it is and their claims. So, give your lips the slip with our new Tease full color lip oil. Don't be fooled by how lightweight and luxurious it feels. This rule-breaking lip oil comes in 12 richly pigmented shades. Each hue glides on silky smooth and sets to a satin matte finish that is strikingly vibrant. And that's true, they do set to a beautiful matte finish, and all of the shades in the collection, like you'll see, are absolutely stunning. Another point of difference between the lip lingeries, because those are all nude tones. Reading the ingredients here, there are a ton of different oils in this lip product. There's grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, the list goes on and on and on. This may be a perfect product if you have super dry lips but you're wanting that matte finish. As far as reviews go, on the nyxcosmetics.ca site, there are over like 50 reviews and it's currently sitting at a 4.5-star review rating, and people seem to just adore it. So without further ado, let's get into swatching the lipsticks. First up is I woke up like this. Look, we also have a boy here, so we're gonna talk about it together. Hi! This is like a mauvey nude. I really like this shade as like a nude tone. Don't step on there, boy. I really like it as a nude tone. I think it's really pretty. It is pulling like a little bit yellow on me, and you know how I feel about those yellow nudes, but gorgeous nude tone. What do you think, boy? Yeah. Next is Entice, and this one, you guys, I love this one. This is as close to the lip lingerie in embellishment, and I wore that literally for like a year. Like year 2016 was the year of embellishment for me, so Entice is quite similar. It's like a gray tone plum shade, and I'm just living, I love this color. I love it. This is just me. Maybe not with this eye, but like maybe with this eye, you know, I'm like feeling like me. Oh, with my curled hair, oh my god. Throwback to 2014. You guys, I feel like myself. Oh boy. Koi is up next. This is a soft, light pink. It's a pink. That's all I have to say. Kind of goes with my eye makeup today, so feeling very bright. I feel like this is like Pride all over again. Hello. So yeah, that's Koi. I'm actually kind of feeling this. I'm just feeling myself today in general, I think. By the way, I'm only wearing one earring because I can only find one, so. Holy, I love this color so much. This is Bang Bang, and when I was putting this on, you guys, I really love this color. It's like a muted deep plum, and I'm just living, like, I love this color. Sometimes when I do lip swatch videos, I'm like, I don't know if I'll ever wear that color, but this, I will be wearing this. Definitely. It is so gorgeous. Oh my God. This one is Baecation, and that's just literally the perfect name for this. This is the brightest lipstick I feel like I've put on my face in like ever. It's a bright fuchsia, and it's like hat. I like keep looking at myself because it's very, very bright. And you know what? For being a bright pink, it has so much pigmentation, and it really didn't go on patchy at all, which I'm pretty surprised about because sometimes with pinks they can go on patchy. So good job with Baecation. This one is Fatal Attraction. Fatal Attraction. I really like this lipstick with the look that I have on right now. This lipstick is just such like a deep, rich berry tone, and it has a lot of like depth to it. I love this color, to be honest with you. I think that NYX is slaying it with these colors in this collection, and I kind of overdrew this one, but I feel like I needed some big lips for this. Ew. Oh damn, this is Feisty, and this is a like indigo. I love this with the, I chose a good look today. This is beautiful. What I did find with this one, and what I've been doing with the other applications when I do put it on, and I wanted to mention, is I'll put like one layer on, and it kind of almost like seeps into your lips, and then I apply like another layer as I'm like playing around with it and just applying it. It's not like I'm going in with say 2 layers, but it's just a natural application of it, and it applies just so beautifully, to be honest with you. Here we have Lowkey, and this, you guys, I really like this color too. It's like a nice soft tea rose, and I think it's just so dainty and pretty, and because I'm such a dainty lady, I love it so much. Tea rose, Lowkey. Here is Fire Dancer, and I am obsessed with this color so much. It's like a red wine, like oxblood burgundy. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think, besides it being on my teeth, gorgeous color for fall, or really anytime, let's be honest. But like, you know how everyone's always looking for that fall shade? This is actually legit stunning. Ooh. Here we have Beyond Basic, and this is like a medium nude, very brown tone. I don't know, I like this, but I don't love it, but I also love it, but I don't like it. I don't know how to feel about this one. It's not a bad shade. When I was applying it, it kind of looked like my cat's cat food, so I just was like, oh, it's an interesting connection I'm making there. I don't know. I think maybe I'm just over the browns, because there's so many other gorgeous shades. I'm like, why is there a brown? I don't know. Holy balls. This, like, and like, look how it applied. I like literally can't. This is Red Queen. This is like a true red. I feel like it's kind of reading like a little bit more orange on me, I feel, but maybe it could be the eyeshadow tricking me as well. But like, look how gorgeous this applied. Like, it's so smooth. It's so soft. You guys, oh my God. Mwah. Cops are coming because it's illegal to Last but certainly not least, we have Breezy, and this is like a neon peach, I would say. Like, it's quite bright. It's like borderline like orange, but still like a peachy side. And again, the makeup, I think I just chose right with this one. So that's Breezy. Those are all 12 shades of the NYX Slip Tease. My overall thoughts of this product is I absolutely adore this product. I think for a matte lipstick, it's stunning, and I love the way it applies. I love the way it feels. I actually love the way it wears, even though it does have a lot of different oils in it and there is a little bit of transfer. It's not completely transfer resistant. I adore this because it's so lightweight and you hardly even feel it on your lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any specific lip collections you want me to swatch on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below, just so I can do what you want me to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.